What is crackin', folks? I'm Dylan and you're watching H3 Humper. You sick of your paint looking all scratched up and shit? I've got an awesome tool from Duplicolor, which is some Duplicolor touch-up paint repair pen. Hop in the vehicle and locate the white tag in the glove box. And right here is the paint code. Type that paint code into the computer and look for a paint pen of that color. So as you can see here, I've got a pretty decent gouge in this plastic fender here. I'm going to be using this paint repair pen. Instructions are quite clear. Prep it, paint it, seal it. Oh wow, it's got some tendrils on there. You just press the tip inwards and then a little bit of paint comes out. Forgot to shake it the first time, so hopefully I can come back from that mistake. I'm actually really digging the fingernail brush. It's looking a lot better than a black line. I'll give it some time to dry and see how it turns out. As you can see, the gouge is noticeably improved. Went from a dark black gouge to what looks like just a paint scratch. A quick and simple paint repair using the Duplicolor paint pen. Thanks for watching.